What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JB, back with a new video. I know I took a break for a little minute, but don't worry, I'm back. And I got some heat to go for that. Today's video, I'm gonna give you guys an early exclusive look at some shoes that's gonna drop next month. It's a dope collaboration between Nike and a popular kids show that you guys might know. I'm pretty sure the thumbnail or the intro will give it away. And also, give you my opinion where you should cop or drop. So without further ado, let's get straight to the kicks.
Kyrie box right here with the eye in the front. On the tag, Kyrie 5 SpongeBob SquarePants. Let's get into the shoes. Nice yellow shoe all over. Check the front eyes, that Nickelodeon. Really iconic to trademark it. One of my favorite features. On the bottom, we have a nice full gum bottom. I think it really complements the shoe with that white sole. On the back, it says Nike in that SpongeBob font. Really dope. Has SpongeBob's freckles, the little spots all over him like the holes. On the second shoe, just the inside, you see the Nike swoosh. Still more freckles. Dope shoe. Let's go to the inside. Got SpongeBob right there, his smile. So adorable. Got the SpongeBob brim that's going to work with the Krusty Krab. On the other foot, got a little signature SpongeBob SquarePants. Really smooth, like, I love it.
So in my opinion, I would definitely cop the shoe. I've always been a fan of SpongeBob from when I was younger, so I was in high school and as an adult. I even had SpongeBob sheets in college, but just forget about that. I feel like it's a pretty dope shoe. I love the concept. Even if you're not feeling this specific colorway, there's 4 more colorways. You have Patrick, you have Mr. Krabs, you have Squidward, you have Sandy Cheek. So different options if you want to get involved with this collab. Pretty dope. Also, it's a basketball shoe too, so all my hoopers out there, if you want to hoop in a shoe that's really flashy, this is the shoe. The sneakers also comes in a full family size run, so you can get a shoe for you, your girl, your man, your kid, your baby, your mom, dad. Everybody can get a shoe. That's all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys plan on copping the shoe. Are you gonna cop a different model at the pack? Are you passing on everything? Let me know down below. Also, if you like this video, want to see more videos like this, me giving you early looks on shoes or pretty much my advice on shoes, hit the like button and definitely subscribe down below. Make sure to turn on post notifications, that way you don't miss any more heat. I got some fire coming to you guys in the next couple of videos. You don't want to miss that. And as always, thanks for watching. JB out. Peace.